Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am making another table decoration for the Christmas. I'll show you the things which I used to make this arrangement. I just used one silk flower and some Christmas ornaments, a ceramic vase, a silver color table mat, and some greens and Christmas balls. And these are the tools which I used. Take a ceramic vase and I am folding this silver mat and secure it with a thin wire and going to insert that in the vase. Now take a dry foam and keep it inside the vase like this. I am taking some silver leaves I am making an S-shape arrangement, so I am adding the materials in S-shape. I am taking some greens and I will insert that in the arrangement in S-shape. Then keep on adding the materials one by one in the same shape. When you insert a silver leaf down, and you have to insert one on the top also. Just follow the S shape and arrange the materials. I am taking some cherries. Everything you have to follow the shape. I have taken 2 golden ornaments and one silk flower, and these 2 golden ornaments are my focal flowers, so I am going to arrange them in the center. Now I am going to enhance the arrangement by adding some Christmas balls. I am going to wire them and then insert them in the arrangement. The arrangement is ready and I have decorated my table with this beautiful arrangement. Hello, hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks